Ladles, dishers, tongs, and other serving utensils are designed to prepare and serve food. Their bowl shape or grip surface can pose an issue when cleaning them. Then, when the food soil builds up on them, we run the risk of bacteria growth and cross-contamination with known food allergens. So, how do we avoid these problems? Try these 4 simple steps. Pre-spray. Whether manually or machine washing these items, always pre-spray to remove as much soil as possible. Soak, then scrub. If washing in a 3-compartment sink, allow them a couple minutes to soak. After the food residue has softened, scrub them clean in the detergent solution, rinse, and then sanitize. Visually inspect the items before storing or returning to service. Thoroughly inspect. When machine washing, closely inspect them when they come out. Sometimes the dirty surface on the utensil has been turned away from the washing action of the machine. Over time, this residual soil becomes thicker and contaminates the food you're preparing or serving. Pre-soak daily. Tackle this problem by pre-soaking all utensils that are used every day. If you have a pre-soak station set up for your cutlery, use it for your large utensils too. Just avoid putting anything sharp into the soak tub. If you have any questions or need assistance, please reach out to your local Diversey representative or call our customer support line.